We often feel overwhelmed by their massive size on the road, but these vehicles are actually essential to our daily lives. We're talking about heavy-duty trucks, from trailers that carry heavy loads and car carriers that transport vehicles to large dump trucks at construction sites. These trucks are familiar, yet we don't really know much about their world. Today, let's take a closer look at heavy-duty trucks with Enmove Times. Regular passenger car engines are designed to be smooth, quiet, and fuel-efficient. But heavy-duty truck engines are built differently. Since they need to carry heavy loads over long distances, they're designed to generate a lot of power. When evaluating heavy-duty truck performance, the two most important factors are torque and horsepower. Torque refers to rotational force. Think of it like the force you apply when pedaling a bicycle uphill. Torque is what gets a truck moving from a standstill and gives it the push it needs to climb uphill. For big trucks carrying heavy cargo, torque isn't just important, it's absolutely essential. Now, horsepower is a measure of how much work can be done over a certain amount of time. In other words, it shows how quickly an engine can get things done. To keep a heavy-duty truck moving at speed for long stretches, even while loaded down with cargo, you need plenty of horsepower. So torque and horsepower define a truck's raw performance. But there's one more key player that ensures everything runs smoothly, and that's engine oil. Heavy-duty truck engines generate incredible power, and because they run for long hours under extreme heat and pressure, engine oil plays a critical role in keeping everything moving smoothly inside. A critical factor is the oil film thickness created as the oil circulates around the engine. If the oil film isn't thick enough, friction increases during the piston's movement, and the engine loses protection. That's why it's essential for engine oil to maintain stable, consistent lubrication, even in high-temperature, high-pressure environments. And with today's stricter environmental regulations, after-treatment systems such as the DPF and SCR have become mandatory. For these systems to work properly, even the design and specifications of the engine oil need to be carefully considered. That's why, for heavy-duty trucks, having technology that both protects the engine and maximizes performance is absolutely crucial. And this is where Zeek really stands out. Zeek meets the latest European standards and carries official approvals from leading global truck brands, meaning it delivers proven, world-class technology. Zeek is crafted with premium base oils that retain viscosity extremely well. This ensures powerful performance and reliable engine protection on any terrain, while keeping oil consumption to a minimum. With outstanding oxidation stability, it keeps your engine cleaner for longer, extends oil change intervals, and stays ahead of new standards like Euro 7. Made in Korea and proudly recognized as Korea's #1 engine oil brand, Zeek is exported to 60 countries worldwide. When it comes to heavy-duty trucks that demand both power and reliability, the right engine oil matters more than ever. With high-quality K engine oil, Zeek drive farther, longer, and more efficiently than ever before. We'll be back with more interesting topics in our next episode. Thank you for watching Enmove Times.